Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cool Way. In this video, I am going to teach you some SSC Mains previous years algebra questions. I hope you will like it. So please watch it carefully. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel and please share this video. So let's start this video. So our first question is, if x plus 1 by x equal to 3, then what is the value of this one? So in this type of questions we try to make it use of this value. So in this simply divide by x in numerator and denominator, we get this and this. After solving it, this one becomes 3x minus 4 plus 3 by x divided by x minus 1 plus 1 by x. Then in numerator we further solve it. After taking 3 common, we get x plus 1 by x and write minus 4 as it is. In denominator we combine, write x plus 1 by x and minus 1 as it is. Now we can easily see x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Simply just put value of x plus 1 by x in this 3, multiply with 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 2, 5 by 2. So guys, I hope you will understand it. So let's move to next questions. Next question is, t square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0, then what is the value of t cube plus 1 by t cube? So guys, in this type of questions we can convert this expression something like t plus 1 by t or t minus 1 by t. Once we get this value, we can easily find out t cube plus 1 by t cube. So let's solve it. T square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. T square minus 4t becomes plus 4t. Now divide by t, we get t plus 1 by t equal to 4. Now we get t plus 1 by t equal to 4, and I already told you, if t plus 1 by t equal to a and we have to find t cube plus 1 by t cube, then it's simply a cube minus 3a. So t cube plus 1 by t cube becomes 4 cube minus 3 multiply with 4, that is 64 minus 12, 52. Our next question is, if x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then find the value of this expression. So guys, again we try to solve it, this expression into this form. We can write this expression something like this, as we have to find value of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. Once we get value of this expression, we can easily find out what is this expression. This becomes x cube plus this becomes x, this becomes 1 by x, and this is 1 by x cube. Combine x cube and x plus 1 by x. So we have to find out this expression. So if x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then 1 by x equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Just rationalize it. 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, it becomes 3 minus 2 root 2. We apply formula a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A square, that is 9 minus b square, 8. So 1 by x equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. So x plus 1 by x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 by x 3 minus 2 root 2. 2 root 2 cancel, x plus 1 by x equal to 6. So we can easily find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is 6 cube minus 6 multiplied with 3, that is 216 minus 18 198. So we just simply put value of x cube plus 1 by x cube in this expression and x plus 1 by x in this expression. So we can easily find out value of this expression. X cube plus 1 by x cube 198 plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x 6. So answer will be 204. Our option number C is the correct option. Question is, if x equal to this, then what is the value of this expression? So guys, in this type of questions we try to simplify this expression as much as possible. So actually this is very easy questions, so let's solve it. 4x cube, taking x common out of it, it becomes 4x square minus 1 x. Now 2x plus 1 and 3, taking 3 common out of it, it becomes 2x minus 1. Now further solve it. X, we can write 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Just simplify it as much as possible. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, 3. This cancel this one. X divided by 3. Now x is 9999 divided by 3. So answer is 3333. So guys, let's move to next questions. So our last question is, if x equal to p plus 1 by p and y equal to p minus 1 by p, then find the value of this expression, x raised to power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y raised to power 4. We have to find the value of this expression. So guys, in this type of questions we try to solve or simplify the given expression. So we can easily see that this expression we can write x square raised to power 2 minus 2x square y square plus y square raised to power 2. We can further write it x square minus y square raised to power 2. As we already know, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this becomes this. So now we have to find the value of x square minus y square. So given is x equal to this and y equal to this, so x plus y becomes 1 by p cancel out, 2p, and x minus y, again p cancel out and 2 by p. So multiply both equations, this becomes x square minus y square and 2 divided by p cancel out and 4. So we can now easily use x square minus y square, that is equal to 4, in this expression. So it becomes 4 square, that is 16. So 16 is the right answer for this. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you really like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications in future. And if you want to give any suggestions for me, then please leave a feedback on comment section. Thank you.